guys, sorry I'm late. Yeah, it is a Friday, and let me say, the profile changed for me. Most definitely. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to catch a trade today. That's mainly because, if you see here, these are my targets for today. And where you can see we're already very close to that. And yeah, part of my rules is if London session is trading towards the draw, New York is not very high probability. But we'll see. I'm still optimistic-ish for today. But I'm not seeing anything favorable. But don't worry, that video I mentioned earlier is getting posted. I was so close to posting it, but then I looked at the time. Oh my gosh, I need to be live. So as soon as I'm done here, I'm posting that video. Even if it means ending the stream early because I see some low probability price action here. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, another reason why I might not take a trade today, I do feel a bit rushed right now. I would say things have not been going too well for me last week and this week. I don't know about you guys, but I think I could say the same for price action. It's really been weird. Not gonna lie, it's been quite strange. Like, literally these were my targets. The profile changed for me because I noticed we took out Monday's high on the Wednesday, and looking at Thursday's price action, we didn't really take out the targets we wanted if we were going for a bullish classic expansion. And so now looking at today, things are much clearer. If we put our standard deviation projection, our targets are more or less around here. So yeah. I'm just gonna measure out London over here. So put a blue line there for London. Just want to see where London is at if we do retrace into that before continuing lower. We shall see. But for me, I don't see anything highly probable right now. It's looking very iffy. Generally, what I do is I wait to see what London does, like intraday, and then frame New York around that for those intraday profiles. If you're wondering what that noise is, it's rain. It is raining. But it's a very nice rain. Nice autumn rain. I would say we are basically in autumn-ish. It is autumn. See, my concern is that we start ranging now in this session. I think the best option now is to wait until we have some sort of confirmation of price reversing and then continuing the bearishness. If we can reach into that 15-minute fair value gap, that would be awesome. And then continue down. I'll look for a reaction maybe there and see what price does. Otherwise, I'm okay with calling it for this week. Do, 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 do. Here you can see I only made $2 yesterday. This was essentially, yeah, my 2 trades. Yeah. 2 break-even trades. We're heading into that 15-minute fair value gap right now. I feel like this indicator is very inconsistent. Just gonna mark out that 15-minute on S&P as well. Okay, price seems to be very close on NASDAQ. Now entering the macro. We're essentially in premium on NASDAQ. If S&P does not reach into that 15-minute fair value gap, then we're having an SMT divergence between these highs here. But let's see the reaction we get. Interesting reaction. Just waiting to see more structure. Yeah, so far this is not looking very nice. Still waiting to see my setup form. Yo yo yo, hey Jordy. I'm still trying to figure out how you were fighting with my bot yesterday. Also, how you feeling today? Bullish? Bearish? I'm feeling bearish today. I'm thinking hopefully we get a reaction here in this 15-minute fair value gap. Right here. And possibly tapping into London. This is London right here. Or the low of London. Possibly. Or at least get close enough. And then my targets are down here. Because I think we have a Wednesday reversal. It definitely changed profile for me. I don't know, this whole week is weird. But yeah, I can see how you can be long. I definitely saw this nice bullish reaction here. But yeah, like I said, this whole week and last week's been very iffy for me personally. This price action was hard to read, and I think maybe emotions had played a part in that. Okay. I'm in a small short. I don't think this is gonna work, but we'll see. I'll put this indicator off. It's a little bit distracting. Okay, I don't know where that thing went. Here we go. I entered here. My logic is I saw this little sweep here and this inverse fair value gap over there. Two-step strategy type thing, you know. Actually seems quite nice since we swept these relatively equal lows here on S&P, even though we haven't even touched the 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, it is definitely holding on Nasdaq. Plus we have like this mini SMT between these highs. Whoop, there we go. Yes, SMT on SMP. Yeah, that's my logic overall. Yo, look at that. I put my stop loss at that high. Hey yo, why is my... Okay, that's just my phone. Yeah, I put my stop loss at that high. I am a bit nervous of it running that high now, but I think my logic is sound. Let's just see if that holds. These are like This is my minimum target. TP1 right here. I might take partials. Might. Just to secure profits, because it is Friday and price action can be a little bit weird. Okay, heading into that inverse now. My fear is that S&P goes higher, and that's what pushes NASDAQ to stomp me out. Yeah, one of us is offside. It could be me, bro. I have not been judging price action very well lately. Like, I had 2 break-even trades yesterday, and yeah, even then I think, I don't know, it was just weird. That's all I can say. It was weird. I'm liking this candle rejecting that inversion. Let's just hope it keeps at it like that, you know. I see S&P is going down now. I want NASDAQ to follow suit. It looks like NASDAQ is more bullish, or more resistant to go down, or it's just a lagging pair in this case. Ooh. No. Yo, really interacting with this inversion. I think I might lose this one. If it doesn't drop like now, I think this trade it's leaving. I mean, you know. If I lose, I'll be losing $33. Hopefully it doesn't come to that. I've been singing Naruto songs lately for some reason. I don't know why. Speaking of, guys, if any of you watch anime, Solo Leveling, the new season, oh my goodness. No spoilers, but it was awesome. Like the latest episodes, counting on that 10 a.m. low to stay intact. Oh, I see. Basically this low. Wait, 10 a.m. No, I won't spoil it, bro. I won't spoil it, don't worry. But it is epic. Now, I think my trade's gonna fail, guys. It's doing too much here. It's doing too much. I don't like it. Oh, I think it heard me. Please go down. Yeah. Please. Okay, come on. I see S&P, you creeping down there. I want Nasdaq to do the same. Come down here. Yo, sorry, Jordy. Now this price is a bit weird. Like, I wasn't even sure with the session because the whole rule of London going, well, trading towards the draw and all that means New York is, what does ITC say? New York is low probability if London is trading towards the draw and that. But then I'm like, okay, let me mark out London. Perhaps it's one of those New York retraces into London and then continues. So honestly, either one of us could be right, because this was definitely a weird week overall, because my profile bias changed overnight. This could also just stay in this range also. It is Friday. Anything could happen. Sometimes if you and your bro are taking two opposite trades, one of you are the liquidity. Either you're both right or one of you is the liquidity. Okay, seeing some movement here. Actually want to see how far. Okay, 2 standard deviations on S&P does line up with those lows. Okay, let's look on the 4-hour. Yo, it's raining hard outside, guys. Okay, this looks like but take the midpoint of this breaker. That could also be a potential low right there. Within our 2 standard deviations on S&P. On Nasdaq, let's see. I use this to measure out, like, yo, it's raining hard. I use this to measure out the potential targets for the week. Okay. That's very low for the next target. Hey, I'm not paying attention. See, if we look at this 15-minute, we just took out, I think we took out the previous 15-minute low, did we? Or we just touched it. I don't know, Jordy. I think perhaps we're both wrong. Maybe we're both the liquidity, because what is this now? You see? It's coming in this area, and I don't like that at all. I want price to just drop all the way. Perhaps S&P was the better pair. I think, nah, I don't think this trade is gonna go very well. I'm gonna put my stop loss down. I'm putting my stop loss down here. Wouldn't it be funny if S&P heads to the targets and Nasdaq just ranges here the whole time? I joke, but it can happen. Nah. What do you mean? Yeah, price hovering around that inversion so many times is what's concerning me. And that reaction, I just want you to drop. See, fear is telling me I should just exit right now. It's not looking good. But is it fear or is it common sense? That's the question. At this point, it is common sense because price is moving too much in that area. Surprisingly still in, but I don't think for long. I've moved my stop loss now to this high because at this point things look very unfavorable. And if that high gets taken out, it wasn't gonna work anyway. I'm already feeling yes, I agree. Demon Slayer right after solar leveling. My gosh. I really love the animation style, the graphics. They did a lot in Demon Slayer. Love it. Nope, I'm gonna be stomped out, guys. I think I might as well just close. Or just let it stomp me out. I agree. High resistance conditions here. It's almost the end of my session now also. And if it doesn't start moving soon, I might close the trade. I'm kind of trailing my stop loss. So it's now over here. There we go. I've been stomped out, guys. 1L. At least it's $16 and not the $30 that was up here. Managed it alright, which is good. I think we're just not in the right conditions. Price is a bit pregnant over here. Pregnant pose. So 1L, guys. If you haven't been able to catch good trades this week, same. Also last week. But it's okay. Next week is the last week of the month. There's still 2 days after that. But technically the last full week of this month. And right after this, I'm going to upload my video on how to read the news calendar. So please check that out. Yeah, 1L for today. Minus what, $16. Okay, wait, you can see it on my thingy, so I'm gonna show you guys. Let me just refresh my alpha page, and then you should be able to see exactly what is what. So negative 16, you can see this week and last week has not been great, but I am not giving up. I know I can do a lot better. I know, especially in better conditions. And yeah, we shall see next week. What are we actually having next week? Next week we're going to have, okay, this flash PMI Monday. We don't trade Monday. We could look at Tuesday, but most likely we will be trading Thursday and Friday again. Honestly, I don't like having to wait so long, but it's part of the rules, and we are trying to follow the rules here. So here we go. Excited for next week. I shall see you guys when I see you guys then. So yeah, hopefully if anyone else watches after this, hope you guys were able to catch a trade. Otherwise, there is always next time, guys. So see you next week. Cheers, cheers. Bye, Jody.